Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. It's been a volatile day. It really has been. Yesterday I should have made some sort of an emergency update, but I didn't. It was a busy day. But right now we're back. And it's perhaps for the better, because yesterday evening, we got another huge volatile move. We started with that bullish momentum because of the inflation rate, right? That was bullish news. It was lower than expected. So then we went up to this 382 FIB, which I've dragged it down now. But right now you can see that strong resistance level. What I said is that, well, we're going to find resistance there, but then we'll break above it. That's what I thought. But then we got a huge sell-off. You can probably see it if we're going to take a look at the volume of Bitcoin right now. You can probably see a spike in volume. Here you can see that the volume in at the beginning of that move it was 15.3, and at the end it was 16.7. So that's about $1.4 billion being traded in about 15 minutes. And that's not all being sold, but it's a lot. So that happened. We're not sure why. I saw some news. And don't worry, we'll get into the technicals as well. But I saw some news that it was the US government selling. But that has been debunked by Arkham, which was where where it first came from, that they actually sold it. And to my knowledge, right now, they didn't sell anything. So it's a little bit of FUD, it's a little bit of fake news. A lot of influencers jumped upon it. I said it as well yesterday, to be honest. So I'm not innocent here, but it seems to be debunked. So then it's just a sell-off like we had right here, the 26th of May, a sell-off like we had right here, the 30th of April. We've had these sell-offs before. It's nothing new, but it's happening a little bit more often right now. So we're going to be talking about the technicals as well. Before we get into that, though, even with the volatility yesterday, the Signal Group made a lot of money again. So if you want to join that, and if you actually want to enjoy some of those profits and become a better trader/investor, check out the links down in the description and the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join. Excuse me. But now onto Bitcoin. So it is kind of dependent on certain things that will happen today, but I actually still think that even though we got this momentum, I still think we got a great chance of becoming bullish again. Right now, if we're talking about purely the market situation, you can argue that we are in a slight downtrend or we are consolidating, all right? Because if you zoom out enough, this will look like sideways movement, right? There's an argument to be made that we are trending down because the ADX is pretty high and we are somewhat making lower highs. Not too low, but still. So the biggest thing today is going to be the jobless claims. Again, news from the US, but we have the core PPI and the initial jobless claims. That's going to make the market move. Where if this is actually higher than expected, they expect it to become higher than previously. If that's even higher than expected, that's bullish. And then I think we can actually still rise up to at least this level right here around 28,700. That would be my first price target. All right, so that would kind of look like this. On the short term, we still have to break above this minor level around 27,550. I think we can do that and then start to test those levels again around 28,000 and 28,300. If the news results are actually good, I think we can break above that as well. Not quickly, probably we'll still need like a day or two for that. But slowly, I think we can get up to 28,700. Now, right now, with the bearish moves that we've seen, I do not think we can break above that. I think from there we'll find resistance around that level and start dropping back down again, because in the end, and like I said, it's either a consolidation right now or a downtrend. It's not an uptrend. So that's what I expect for now. But yeah, like I said earlier in the video or at the beginning, I will make an emergency update today if that's necessary. But until that time, this is my take. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.